actually just measure what was in each of those trays. So if I try and pour it in, bearing in mind a litre of water went in, and a bit of soil debris as well, we have got 600, just slightly proud of 600 mils has come off a runoff. Therefore 400 odd mils has either percolated through or sat in the soil horizons. And if we try and pour that out, try and do the same. You can see there not only the extra coloration, but we're near a 700 mils. So again, an extra 100 mil of water running off that small little area there. Multiply that up into per acres or per hectares, and that is a significant amount of rain and soil debris washing away.